Kate Middleton and William, what becomes of their very sulky bridesmaid, Grace Van Cutsem? Kate Middleton and William celebrated their 9 years of marriage this Wednesday, April 29, the occasion to remember a funny moment of the happiest day of life when Grace Van Cutsem, maid of honor and goddaughter of the prince, was looking at the kissing time on the balcony of the Buckingham Palace. Prince William and Kate Middleton will celebrate their 9th wedding anniversary on Wednesday, April 29. Like the birthdays of little Louis and the Queen and that of Charlotte on May the 2nd, it is in confined mode that they will spend this lovely day, all that taking place in the strictest privacy and will hold their fiancé wedding despite the Mexico and the coronavirus epidemic should happen more serenely than last year, because in 2019 in the spring, rumors of Prince William's infidelity had somewhat spoiled the party. This year, Kate and William will be with their family for their birthday and will be able to remember all the lovely moments of the happiest day of their lives. The pretty moments, but also the funniest, like the famous photobomb of one of the bridesmaids at the time of the kiss on the balcony of Buckingham Palace. Grace Van Cutsem, Prince William's goddaughter and bridesmaid, who was only 3 years old at the time, began to sulk hands on ears. The image had gone around the world and still talk a lot today, yet the girl had good reason to be upset. Her little ears could not bear the sound and noise of the Royal Air Force planes which passed over the palace to celebrate the bride and the groom. Fortunately, the scene didn't last long, and Kate herself comforted the child. Grace Van Cutsem is now 12 years old. She grew up well and is a studious child with his parents, Rose, Esther, and Hugh Ralph Van Cutsem, and his little brothers, Ralph and Charles. They traveled a lot. They notably went to Sri Lanka in 2018. Rose Esther used to post photos of her children on Instagram, but has apparently deleted her account since last year.